everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So I really love snacks and I really love dipping oils. You know, something that you can like dip a piece of bread or a piece of toast in and just snack on it all day. It's just so delicious. So today's video, I'm gonna make a tapenade, and it's a dip made of delicious olives and also another dipping oil, just something you can enjoy for snacks through the day. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I do have a new channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. So if you can head on over there, subscribe, support, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So today I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 3 different dipping oils that not only are they delicious, but they're super easy to make. So the first one I'm going to do has ingredients that you probably have in your pantry already. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up 2 large garlic cloves. So now I'm going to ball up and run my knife through around 2 tablespoons of some fresh basil. And that's it. So the garlic and the basil's chopped up, so I'm going to take a bowl and just add the chopped garlic along with the fresh basil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dried Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm going to measure a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil and go ahead and add that to the bowl. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of balsamic vinegar. So now I'm going to shred 1/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. And at the end, just season with sea salt and black pepper to taste. And just stir and mix everything together. And just like that, 1 oil down and 2 more to go. Let's get started on the next one. Now I really love shallots, but this one was really big, so I just took the half and I'm just going to take the knife and chop it up really good. Now I want you guys to excuse the band-aid. I try to be careful, but sometimes accidents happen. And now I'm going to go ahead and chop 2 large garlic cloves. And I have an 8-ounce can of sun-dried tomatoes, and I love these tomatoes. I use them all the time in a lot of my recipes. So I'm just going to take them out and give them a rough chop. Now I probably would have left them in the jar, but the pieces were just a little bit too big for me. So instead, on using olive oil, I'm just going to drain the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. I tried to squeeze around a half a cup of the oil. I almost got there, but this is going to add so much flavor to the dipping oil. So this is the oil that I got, and I'm just going to take it over to the stove and I'm going to pour it into a pot along with the chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Now in goes the chopped shallots along with the chopped garlic. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of dried oregano and some thyme. And a teaspoon of smoked paprika and red chili pepper flakes for a little kick. Now I'm going to let this simmer at a very low heat for 5 minutes so all these flavors can marinate together. Now in the meantime, in a separate bowl, I'm going to go ahead and grate around a half a cup of some Parmesan cheese. After 5 minutes, I'm going to pour the tomato mixture over the Parmesan cheese. And just take a spoon and stir and mix everything together. And after a quick taste test, you want to add sea salt and some black pepper. And that's it, dipping oil number 2 down. Now let's get to the one that I'm really excited about. So for the tapenade, I had to get out my chopper blender, and I'm going to start off with a cup of manzanilla olives, along with a half a cup of Kalamata olives. And I'm going to use 1/4 of a cup of some fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons of some fresh basil. I'm adding 2 garlic cloves, the zest of 1 lemon, and I'm going to add the juice of 1 fresh lemon. And a tablespoon of capers, 1/8 of a teaspoon of some red chili pepper flakes for a slight kick, and some sea salt and black pepper, and 1/4 of a cup of some extra virgin olive oil. Now what I love about this is you just have to put in the ingredients and it does all the chopping for you. So I'm just going to give it a rough chop. This is something that you don't want to go crazy over. You don't want to make it a paste. You want to definitely keep some of the texture. So the first time I ever had tapenade was probably nearly 20 years ago, and I've been in love with it ever since. Look at all those amazing flavors. It's the perfect texture that I like. And after giving it a good taste test, you want to take it out of the mixer and just serve it up in one of your favorite bowls. Now you can use whatever bread you like, but I love focaccia bread and just having it soak up each and every one of these amazing dips. The tapenade has the brininess from the olives and all the fresh herbs and the lemon zest. Everything just complements each other perfectly. And this classic Italian dipping oil is so savory and is comforting with so many Italian flavors. And the sun-dried tomato dip is bold and vibrant. It's absolutely delicious, and you have to give all 3 a try. And we're all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it and will help my channel out a whole lot. Share it with everybody you know. And follow me on my new channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. And let's hype up the video, you guys. Let's get it in the algorithm so many people can watch it. And if you give any of these 3 oils a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.